Hello there. Today we'll see how to install Docker on the Mac OS. So it's simple and quick. Click on the docker.com, then click on the product, get Docker Community Edition. Scroll down. Here is a Docker for the different OS, Windows, Ubuntu, Mac. So click on the Mac section, download from the Docker store. Once you are here, you can see this option, get Docker. This is the stable version option. You can scroll down. I can see here two versions, stable and the edge. This is same as the stable version. You can download from here or here. It's the same thing. Just click on that. It will straight away start downloading on your machine. I'm cancelling it because I have already downloaded the same. So closing this, I have this same file which I have downloaded. So just double click on that. It will show drag and drop. So click on the Docker icon and drop it over applications. It will start installing the Docker. Let's wait little bit of time. Okay, as on state the Docker is installed. We can verify docker-v, Docker version 17.03, but the Docker services are not started. So if I want to see any container, nothing is there. So just click on the applications. You'll see the Docker icon here. Just double click that. It will say you want to open it. Yes, say. Now you can see it here. It is starting the Docker engine and its services. Let's wait for some time. Close this window meanwhile. This also we don't need it. Alright, so the Docker is running now. You can restart from here. You can quit or stop the service from here. So let's verify docker-v, which we already seen, it's installed. Now docker ps, which will list down the containers in your machine. So as of now nothing is there, it's just printing the heading. So it means Docker is installed and running. Now you can start building your containers. We'll see in the next video. Till the time, stay tuned. For more videos, please subscribe.